Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and good at home and you're doing your work very sincerely and nicely, my dear. Every day we are seeing your homework, every day we are seeing that what your problem is, and we are looking forward and we are just trying to solve all the things. I hope that you all are doing and practicing the number of exercises, the questions, so that you can score better and better in each and every examination. Okay, now my dear, in the last class we have already discussed some of the word problems related with subtraction. I hope whatever I have discussed you have gone through it, you have seen that, you have observed that, you have written the statement according to that only. Today we are going to move ahead with the same thing, that is word problem. Hmm. We are going to again discuss the word problems, my dear. Okay, and that word problem we are going to discuss on the basis of addition as well as on the subtraction, both. Now we are going to move ahead and we are going to discuss some word problems. Already the keywords I have discussed, that if that these things will be given in the question, you will get to know that you have to do the subtraction here. Little bit observation, little bit concentration. If you will put of yours, then you will be easily, it will be easier, and will be much easily you can solve any of the question. Okay, let this one is the topic for today, word problem of subtraction. Now we are going to discuss addition and subtraction together. Okay, in this word problem you are going to get addition and subtraction together. First of all, again I am repeating, what is addition? Addition means finding out the total of the number. A number total can be formed, either you are adding two numbers, three numbers, four numbers, five numbers, any number. A number can be added in any form. Okay, number can be added in any form. 2 plus 3 is also 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. So it can be added in any form. Addition we used to do to get the total or the sum of the given number. Whereas subtraction is completely different from addition. In subtraction we used to find the difference between the given number. And in subtraction we cannot change the order of the number while subtracting. If we will subtract 2 minus 3, then it cannot be done. We have to subtract the bigger number from, we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number only. Bigger number can subtract smaller number, but smaller number cannot subtract the bigger number. These are the things which we have to keep in our mind while doing this exercise. I have already discussed these points in the last video, that when you are starting the word problem, first of all, the first thing is read and understand what do I need to find out. Okay, either we have to subtract, multiply, add, whatever. Find the information given in the problem. Find out the informations which are given in the problem. Whatever it is given, quantity given, cost given, number given, whatever, you have to find it out. Decide the operation to be used. You have to decide what you are going to use. Weight of, quantity of, number of. Okay, what you want to use, you have to pre-decide it after reading the question. Finally, solve the problem. Now you can write the statement, you can form the statement, and you can solve those. This is the question which I am going to discuss today. Okay, I hope first of all we will read. The question is, 1,26,254 mangoes have been loaded in the red truck. Okay, there was a red truck, in that this much has been loaded. 1,33,182 mangoes have been loaded in the blue truck. Okay, there were two trucks, one is red, one is blue, and the number of mangoes which has been loaded on that. How is here, my dear? How many of the mangoes were loaded in the blue truck? Means how many have been loaded in the blue truck? Loaded in the blue truck. Okay, this much have been loaded in the blue truck. How many more? Okay, sorry. How many more has been loaded in the blue truck? So that can be calculated by subtracting only. Just see. See. You can see, first of all, the statement will be written like this: number of mangoes loaded in the blue truck, because blue truck is having a number of more than red truck. So the bigger one will be written first, then you will write number of mangoes loaded in the red truck, which you will write. After that you will write the numbers. Okay, arrange it in a proper order. After that you will subtract. 2 minus 4 is not possible, so it has to carry from the number which is next to it. Then 8 has given 1 to 12, so 2, and it has become 12, and 8 has become 7 after giving 1. So 12 minus 4 will be 8 and 7 minus 5 will be 2. Now it is given 11 1 minus 2, which is not possible, so again it will move ahead to take carry. So it will take carry from 3, so 3 will give 1, then it will become 2, and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 2 you will do, you will get 9. After that you can see 3 has already given, so it has become 2. 2 minus 6 is not possible, so what it will do, it will go to next number for taking carry. So 3 will give 1 to 2, it will become 12, which is written here, my dear. After that you can see 12. Now 12 minus 6 you can do, okay, 12 minus 6 you can do very easily, and you, sorry, 12 minus 2 you can do, and you can get 10. So only 0 you write down and 1 you take carry. After that 1 minus 1 you will, sorry, 12 has written to 12 minus 6 you have done, then you have got 6, and after that here it is 2 left because 3 has already given. So 2 minus 2 will be 0, which is written down, and 1 minus 1 will be also 0, which is written here. Okay, so you will get number of more mangoes loaded in the blue truck in comparison of the red truck is 6928. 6928 more mangoes were loaded in the blue truck, my dear. Now this question, it is written Fast Car International. Okay, there was a name that is given. Car International spent 13 crores 2,34,890 for setting up a factory. Okay, one factory they are trying to set up, and for that he has spent this much amount. Then after that 2 crores 38 lakh 94,650 was for setting up the showroom, and now he spent this much for setting the showroom. For factory he spent some amount, and for showroom some amount. How much more amount did the factory spend for setting the company spent for setting the factory? For setting up the factory he spent more amount in comparison to for setting up the showroom. So how much he spent, now we will see. You can see here, you will write amount spent for setting up factory, you will write, then you will write amount spent for setting up the showroom, then you will write just below the that. After that you will subtract both, and then you will get the more amount spent on for setting up the factory in comparison to for the setting of the showroom. You can see the number is written 0 minus 0 will be 0, 9 minus 4 will 5 will be 4, 8 minus 6 will be 2, 4 minus 4 will be 0, 3 minus 9 is not possible, it will take one carry, it will become 13. 13 minus 9 will be 4. Yes, 13 minus 9 will be 4. Then it is written, then it is one was left, so now it will take one carry from the number which is next, then it is will become 11. 11 minus 8 will be 3. Okay, after that here it is now 9 because 1 it has already given. So 9 minus 3 will be 6, and 3 2 minus 2 will be 0, and 1 minus nothing is given here down, so it will be 1. So you will get 1 crore 63 lakh 40,240 is the amount which he has spent on setting up the factory. Okay, the amount which has been spent by the company for setting up the factory more than for the setting up the showroom. Okay, now this question, in an orchard, it means a garden where is the different kinds of flower fruits are there. There are 2 crores 49 lakh 34,078 coconut trees. This much is coconut. After that, 1 crore 3 lakh 43,125 mango trees. How many less mango trees than the coconut tree are there in the orchard? You can see, you will write number here, you will use number of coconut trees, then you will write number of mango trees, you will write the number which is given there both, and then you have arranged it in a proper column according to its places, according to their places. Now you will subtract it. 8 minus 5 will be 3, 7 minus 2 will be 5. 0 minus 1 is not possible. It will take one carry. It will become 10. 10 minus 1 will be 9. 3 minus 3 will be 0. 3 minus now here it is 3. 3 minus 4 is not possible. It will take one carry from 9, so 9 will give 1, then it will become 13 here, which is written here, you can see, and it will become 8. 13 minus 4 will be 9. After that 8 minus 3 will be 5. Okay, then 4 minus 0 will be 4 only, and 2 minus 1 will be 1. So you will get there are 1 crore 45 lakh 90,000 953 less mango trees than the coconut trees in the orchard. Okay, so this we can calculate. So it depends on the question that what each statement will be formed, number with the number you have to form, with quantity, with capacity, with liters, or whatever. Okay, so that depends on totally what the question is asking. That is why in the first only I have said that we have to go through the question first, try to operate that what the operation we are going to do in that, and then used to do. Okay, you can see this question also. It is written the total population of Ramgarh is 1,38,460, and the population of Hushangarh is 2,32,560. Which town has a greater population and how much more? So that can be done by writing it in this way. You can see. So you can write number of people in Ramgarh, number of people in Hoshangarh, like this also. Or you can write population of Hoshangarh and population of Ramgarh. Both you will write, then you will subtract. 0 minus 0 will be 0. For 6 minus 6 will be 0. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 2 minus 1 is not 2 minus 8 is not possible. It will take one carry from 3, so it will become 12 here. 12 minus 8 when you will do, you will get 4. Now here it is 2. 2 minus 3 is not possible. It will take one carry. So it will become 12. So 12 minus 3 will be 9. And here it is 1 because 2 has already given 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay. So the total you will write the population of Husangarh is more, that is 94,100. Okay. Then Ramgarh. In the same way this question also been written, you can see. Okay, in this kind of questions you used to face problem. The sum of two number is given, the same kind of question which we have discussed earlier. One of the number is given, so it's very easy. Okay, you will write sum of two numbers. Okay, one of the number. Okay, when you will subtract those two, you will get the other number. In the same way this last question has already been done, but it is not there, let it be. Okay, so in the same way it is also, you can write a factories produce 5,000 5,62,380 toys in a month. In 1 month it is producing this much. Out of this 3,38,490 toys were sold. How many are left? It's very easy. So you will write number of toys sold in a month, that is 5,62,380. Now you will write number of toys sold out, that is 3,28,490. When you will subtract those two, you will get the number of toys left. Okay, that's it. That is all, my dear. I hope with all the number of questions which I have explained and the statement the way I have explained, you have understood. You will go through it thoroughly. You will try to see the video properly without skipping anything, and then you will do the exercise nicely. That's all, my dear. Thank you, everyone.